what was it, Will Smith and Hitch in the beginning. He's banging on the window. What is it? What did I do? Why? He's looking for the instructions of the leading. That's the immature masculine there. Tell me what it is. Tell me what you need. This is the shit unspoken that feminine feels and they cannot articulate. Feminine cannot give you a handbook, a step process of how to lead them. They don't know how. Feminine does not lead. It intuits. It feels and follows. It feels safe behind this man. What is life? He covers me. He protects me. He's good. He lays down the dick. He covers the bills. He can raise some kids. There's a following behind that and they can't articulate it. They don't even know it. I'm talking about grown men, my senior 20 years I'm coaching. They don't know how to listen for the feeling that their feminine is giving. The way they're showing up, they may not say it because it is a feeling, because they are intuiting. They're feeling your rejection on their body. They're feeling that you don't want their body. They're feeling that you want them to be sexier. They're feeling the pressure of how you want them to perform. I'm unattached. Show up how you show up. It doesn't matter. I'm aware it's below my standard. I don't need to pout about it. I can still be me. I can still show up as who I am. That shit is liberating to let flowers waft in the wind. There is no pressure. Society is putting, a patriarchal society of immature masculine is putting pressure on feminine unknowingly every fucking day.